Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict forwarded messages to your contacts only on Telegram. This is a useful privacy feature that helps you control who can share your messages beyond your chat. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon. On Android, this is the three horizontal lines in the top corner. On iPhone, you can tap your profile icon instead. From the menu, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all your account and privacy options. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls how others interact with your account and your messages. Now look for the option called Forwarded Messages and tap on it. This feature allows you to decide who can link back to your account when your messages are forwarded. You'll see different options here. To keep things more private, select My Contacts. This means only people saved in your contacts will be able to forward your messages with a link to your profile. After choosing My Contacts, the setting will be applied automatically. There's no need to save anything manually. And that's it. Your forwarded messages are now restricted to your contacts, giving you better control over your privacy on Telegram. This is especially helpful if you want to avoid unknown users accessing your profile through forwarded messages. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and privacy guides to stay in control of your account. Thanks for watching.